Most people using AI tools right now are making the same mistakes. Not because they are not smart enough, not because the tools are too complicated, but because nobody told them what not to do. I have been using AI tools every single day, and I have made every single one of these mistakes myself. So you do not have to. Welcome to AIplified. Here are the biggest AI mistakes beginners make, and exactly how to fix every one of them. Mistake number 1. Asking questions that are too vague. This is the #1 reason people think AI is not that useful. They type something like, "Help me with my business," or "Write me something good," and they get a generic, disappointing answer. Here's the truth about AI tools. They are only as good as the instructions you give them. The fix is simple. Be specific. Instead of "Help me write an email," say, "Write a professional email to a client named Sarah, apologizing for a 1-week project delay," keeping the tone warm but confident in under 150 words. That one change from vague to specific transforms the quality of every single answer you get. Permanently. The more context you give, the better the output. Every time. Mistake number 2. Giving up after the first answer. Most beginners read the first response and either accept it as is or give up because it was not quite right. Both are mistakes. AI tools are designed for conversation. The first answer is a starting point, not a finished product. Push back. Ask for changes. Say, "Make this shorter," or "Make the tone more friendly," or "Give me 3 different versions." The best results always come after 2 or 3 rounds of conversation, not from the first response. Think of it like working with a colleague. You would never take the first draft from a colleague without giving feedback. Treat AI the same way. Mistake number 3. Using it only for writing. This is the most common limitation beginners put on themselves. They discover AI can write emails. They use it for emails. And that is all they ever use it for. Meanwhile, AI can plan your entire week, build you a budget, coach you through a difficult conversation, teach you a new skill, research any topic in depth, summarize a 50-page document in 30 seconds, translate any language, debug your code, write your CV, generate business ideas. The people getting the most out of AI are using it for dozens of different tasks every single day. Start asking it to help with things you have never tried before. You will be surprised what it can do. Mistake number 4. Not giving it enough context about who you are. AI tools do not automatically know your job, your industry, your audience, or your communication style. If you ask ChatGPT to write a post about leadership, it will write something generic. But if you say, "I am a marketing manager writing for an audience of small business owners," my tone is direct and practical. Write a LinkedIn post about leadership in under 100 words. You get something completely different. The fix is to start your sessions by telling the AI who you are and what you need. You can even save a personal prompt that you paste at the start of every conversation. Something like, "I am a professional in X field. My audience is Y, my tone is Z. Please keep this in mind for all your answers." That one habit will transform every conversation immediately. Mistake number 5. Trusting everything it says without checking. This is the most important mistake on this list, and potentially the most dangerous. AI tools are extraordinarily capable, but they are not perfect. They can occasionally get facts wrong, cite sources that do not exist, give outdated information, or confidently state something that is simply incorrect. This is called hallucination, and it happens more than most people realize. The rule is simple. For anything important, verify independently. Use AI to draft, explore, and structure your thinking. Then check the facts yourself before you act on them. This does not mean you should not trust AI. It means you should use it like a brilliant but occasionally overconfident colleague. Brilliant at ideas, needs checking on the details. Mistake number 6. Using only one AI tool. ChatGPT is excellent. Claude is excellent. Gemini, Perplexity, and others, all excellent for different things. Beginners tend to find one tool, stick with it, and assume that is the full picture. The people getting extraordinary results from AI are using multiple tools, each for what it does best. ChatGPT for speed and volume, Claude for depth and nuance, Perplexity for real-time research and current information, Canva AI for visual creation, 11 Labs for voice. You do not have to use all of them, but knowing they exist and trying them costs nothing. Mistake number 7, waiting for the perfect prompt before starting. This one is subtle, but it holds a lot of people back. They read about prompt engineering, they watch tutorials about getting the perfect AI response, and they spend so much time trying to craft the ideal prompt that they never actually start. The truth is, there is no perfect prompt. The best prompt is the one you send now and then. Improve in real time. Start messy. Refine as you go. That is how every expert uses AI, and it is how you will get genuinely useful results faster than any amount of preparation. 7 mistakes. All fixable. All things you can change today. The difference between people who find AI genuinely life-changing and people who think it is just a gimmick is almost always one of these 7 things. Fix them, and AI becomes one of the most powerful tools you have ever used. If this helped you, subscribe to AIplified. Every week, I break down exactly how to use AI tools in plain English so you get real results, not just interesting conversations. Next week, the free AI tools that are replacing expensive software. We are talking hundreds of dollars a month in savings, using tools that are completely free. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next week.